Hi mga ka-Chings, another day, another blessing. So for today, maghimot tayo 50 slices of custard cake and 50 slices of chocolate cake, and we have 3 sets of bilao. So let's go. Hi mga ka-Chings, we're done with our sapin-sapin, kutsinta, puto cheese, and macaron. So this is ready for packing. So let's start with the 14 inches size of bilao, which is 3 variety, the kutsinta, puto cheese, and macarons. And for the other one is 2 sets is only 12 inches, which is sapin-sapin kutsinta. And the other one is 3 variety, which is sapin-sapin kutsinta and puto cheese. So let's continue sa pagpacking sa atong mga kakanin. So this is a set of our chocolate cake, which is 50 pieces. So di masulod sa isa ka box. And so with the custard cake, ato na lang ipon sa lain sa nga box. So same size. And then the other one is, ato lang sa gibota kag sapin-sapin kay hawan sa kag-ayo pa chocolate cake lang. So thank you for watching and God bless.